another case study I want to talk through, and really from a hybrid perspective. Parexel moved about 16,000 users off their Cisco toward Teams. Saw incredible increase in overall productivity from their ability to really look at a full collaboration stack within one platform, within the Teams platform. Good cost savings moving from a Cisco solution to Teams. At the same time, they have maintained an element of Teams that they use within their space. They're in the pharmaceutical industry, lots of integrations in place with other pharmaceutical businesses. They needed to maintain Cisco to be able to maintain some of those integrations. We integrate the two together. It's a seamless communication platform for the customer. But again, they're still in that hybrid mode and will be for the foreseeable future.
So in this scenario, they've moved quite a few, 16,000 to Teams calling, but there's others that will continue to reside on the Cisco calling for calling.
There's a few hundred still on the Cisco.
Yeah. Yep. And so it sounds like you said they will maintain that for the foreseeable future.
And in their case, it's kind of a good use case too, Diana, in that it's kind of a special case. Most of those people that are still using the Cisco phone are actually on Teams, but because of partnerships they have with another large pharmaceutical company, they needed to kind of maintain that piece of connectivity. And they're able to do that, but again, still able to be fully meshed in the current collaboration stack within their own organization.
And did you guys help do that migration for them? Because obviously that's not, that's not a plug and play, right? To be able to fully mesh that environment into Teams.
No, yeah, full turnkey migration from our perspective. And really, we follow a pretty stringent design, deploy, manage methodology. As a customer, we spend a good amount of time with going through the design elements. They're in about 40 countries. There's some different categories we have to jump through, and everything, all countries ranging obviously from the U.S. and Europe, but including some difficult places like China, ones that have interesting regulatory requirements like India, Brazil, etc. So a full global deployment, and for what's worth, it was both a Teams calling and meetings migration. There was also about 200 meeting rooms involved.
Did they update their room systems too, or no? They did.
Yep.
And how long does a deployment like that? Because obviously that's a lot, right? Especially when you're talking about multiple countries across multiple regions. I mean, is this a multi-year kind of project, or is that something that can be done quicker than that?
Yeah, I think everybody wanted it to be done a little quicker. It was about a year, and everybody wanted it to be done a little quicker, but it was also in spanning 2021, 2022. So there was some logistical equipment delivery challenges.